I finally found this forgotten Barracuda. Look at how badly damaged it is. Let's clear all this debris. Let's clear all this debris and see what's underneath. There's so much junk around this car. We need to clear everything first. These rust holes and damaged panels are much worse than I expected. The engine is completely neglected. Like and subscribe if you want to see this Barracuda come back to life.
The interior is ruined too. Almost everything needs restoration. The recovery equipment is ready. Let's get this Cuda out safely. I'm securing the chains carefully before we pull the car out. Easy does it. This old Barracuda is finally leaving the barn. The Cuda is going onto the transporter. It's still completely damaged.
We're finally at the garage. Now the real restoration can begin. Let's wash away years of dirt and reveal what's underneath. These damaged parts are beyond saving, so we're removing them first. And that's all for now. And now the real restoration begins. We're cutting out the rotten metal. The rotten metal is gone. Now we're welding in fresh steel.
We're bringing the original body lines back, one panel at a time. The body is repaired. Now we need a perfectly smooth surface. The primer will protect the repaired metal and prepare it for paint.
The old V8 is coming out.
It's time for a complete rebuild. We're taking the engine apart and cleaning every major component.
The engine is going back together with restored components. The engine bay is ready. Now we can install the rebuilt V8. The rebuilt V8 is ready. Let's carefully put it back in. Now we're connecting everything and getting the engine ready to run. The old brakes are finished. We're restoring the inter braking system.
The ruined interior is gone. Now we're rebuilding the cabin. Fresh tires and restored wheels are giving this Barracuda a new stance. Now we're connecting everything and getting the engine ready to run. The suspension needs to be strong and reliable, so we're restoring it completely. The body is finally ready. Next comes the final paint. The wiring is repaired. Let's test all the lights. The body is finally ready. Next comes the final paint. The restoration is almost complete. Like and subscribe if you're enjoying this transformation. From an abandoned wreck to a beautiful American... Like and subscribe for more restorations.